Alright, so for Chapter 7's homework, I'm doing number 5. In this, we're going to be trying to find which graph strongly correlates to this set of data. So to check this, we can open up StatCrunch. Let's have to load. Then from here, we will see we have the altitude and temperature, same as we have right here. From here, we can go to Graph, go to Scatterplot, and we will want to set up the x and y variables. The x obviously being on the x-axis, with the temperature being on the y. From here, we'll click Compute, and we will just want to compare this graph to the answer choices we see here. So the most obvious candidate for this will be, looks like, letter D. So from here, we'll briefly characterize the correlation in words. Just by looking at the graph, we can see it's in a very strong directional downward pattern. So we can quickly attribute that to a strong negative correlation. And the R value, to estimate the correlation coefficient, can be between -1 and 1. Things closest to 0 would strongly recommend, not recommend, but it strongly suggests a 0 correlation, or a correlation that's not very in a strong pattern. It would be all scattered. So from here, since it's negative, I have -1, that's my address. And to summarize the rest of the question, from the data it seems that as the aircraft gains altitude, the outside temperature appears to see as it's dropping in a strong and consistent pattern. And that will wrap up that.